This comes as a shock to see the drop test of Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now the reason I said I'm shocked is because of the durability standards. By the way, if you're for getting the S25 Ultra, pre-order is about to end and you can avail free $350 credit and up to $900 trade-in values. Check the product listed in this video. Thanks to a fellow YouTuber, PBK Reviews, for testing out the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And honestly, Samsung did a wonderful job with the durability of S25 Ultra. Now a little bit of a backstory. Last year, Samsung gave us more scratch-resistant glass on S24 Ultra, which gets less scratches. But this year, as tested by Zach, S25 Ultra was similar to other phones. Now either one or the other, this time, Samsung chose to go with a better shock-proof phone. And while looking at the drop test, by the way, before starting off, if you want to watch the full drop test video, I have added the link in my description, you can check it out. By looking at the Galaxy S25 Ultra waist height and even from head height drop test, S25 Ultra didn't get any scratch whatsoever. I mean seriously, there are small scratches on the frame but no major display damage on S25 Ultra while dropping it. And even from the back, the phone was completely safe from cracking. This was probably one of the most durable phones from Samsung, and there are two major reasons. But before talking about those reasons, this is your last chance to get the S25 Ultra. Pre-orders are about to end and you can avail $350 credit and up to $900 trade-in values. Check the product listed in this video. Now one of the reasons S25 Ultra didn't get cracked is because Samsung used a completely flat panel. One must say, S25 Ultra also came with a flat panel. No, the edges are ever so slightly rounded, which is why last year when he dropped the S24 Ultra, it was cracked from the front. But the back on the S24 Ultra was also safe because of the flat glass. But this time, S25 Ultra came with completely flat display, making it more durable. We all know curved panels are less durable and finally switched back to flat panels. The second thing, which is why S25 Ultra didn't get cracked, is the new Gorilla Glass Armor 2nd generation. It is one of the toughest glass in the smartphone industry, at least for now. Now along with the drop test, the teardown of S25 Ultra actually surprised us about the S Pen of S25 Ultra. Initially, when S25 Ultra was launched, people were upset about the no Bluetooth feature on S Pen, which is obvious for people who use ear gestures and use it as a remote control. Now a new teardown video is out by Zach from Jerry Everything, and it seems like Samsung didn't change the internals on S25 Ultra. This means S25 Ultra has the same coil as S24 Ultra, which means you can actually charge an S Pen on S25 Ultra. But there's a catch. There is no battery inside the S Pen of S25 Ultra, which means no charging. But this came with the possibility that Samsung may start selling the Bluetooth-enabled S Pen separately, and at the end of the day, it is possible. And even initially, there were some rumors Samsung may sell additional S Pen for Bluetooth, but later denied. Although right now, Samsung is selling S Pen of S25 Ultra the same, which came along with the phone for $49, same as S24 Ultra. And yes, that one don't have a Bluetooth function. The green line issue were here for a while, and almost every other brand has this issue. Now that people started receiving the S25 Ultra orders, they find some weird things with it. Note, not a single one gets a green line issue and no one is talking about it. Yet there is one guy who faced a blinking display, and it seems like there is a display issue in his S25 Ultra. But the customer support was not helpful at all, which is a really bad thing. Other people who started talking about the display from camera can be fixed with the new firmware update. So we don't need to worry about the S25 Ultra display. It's far better than the S24 Ultra. Even though initially, as the masses hands on the phone, some people actually face some real issues which should be resolved. That same thing happened with the S24 Ultra last year. Even last year, S24 Ultra came with a grainy display and it happened to a lot of people. On this note, if you find value from this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.